Now it's time for you to practice telling a story. For this exercise, I want you to create a story about you. And specifically, why are you taking this nano degree? How did you hear about it? What led you to it? As well as what are you hoping to get out of it? And why are those things important to you? You can also share a few challenges that you think you might encounter along the way, and where you want to see yourself 1 year after completing this nano degree. Then, practice telling the story to yourself. I know this sounds really cheesy, but it's super helpful to practice rehearsing your story out loud in front of a mirror. Then, once you've created your story and practice it, it's time to share it with a friend. After you share the story, ask your friend to summarize your story. You'll also want to ask them how the story made them feel and describe what they thought was the most important takeaway. After your friend has answered those questions, think about how their responses compared to what you were expecting them to say. And if they were different, why do you think they were different?